how to remove this activating Windows watermark permanently from your desktop. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we remove this annoying Windows watermark permanently through Registry Editor. This will be a short, easy, and to-the-point tutorial. So just remember the channel name Hascree and make sure to watch till the end. First of all, go this search box and type here, regedit, and run as administrator. And this exact page will be opened. Tap on this drop-down menu here left side in the computer. Then tap on H key local machine. Then tap on system. Then tap on current control set. Here we will tap on services. Now see carefully because even a single mistake is not acceptable. Here you need to find SVSVC. Once found, tap on it. Here you will find the Start button here. Press right-click and then press Modify. Here we will change base hexadecimal value from 3 to 4 and we'll press OK. Now close this window and restart your system and this watermark will be removed. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.